Hello everyone, it's just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two precision screwdriver sets. So this is the WORKPRO and this is the Klein tools. The WORKPRO is 10 pieces and the Klein tools is 8 pieces. So I do like the WORKPRO. It comes in a nice case. I can zip it up. That way they're all nice and safe. But I do have to make sure and put them inside that little bungee cord there. It does come with a magnetizer, demagnetizer. The Klein tools is just the screwdriver. We get 4 torque screwdrivers. I like that they're color coded for quick access. 2 Phillips, which are red. And then they got the nice big sign here, varying lengths. And then the blue for the straight slot. 1/8 and 3/32, again, different lengths. I like that they both, this spins on both of them. So when you're really pushing, you can turn that and it's not going to turn up here. These are all the same length. Again, we got straight slots. They got numbers on the back side. This turns also. That's got a grippy material also. Whoa. Sorry about that. The WORKPRO comes with 2 torque, T8 and T9, where the Klein comes with 4. Looks like we've got a T6, 8, 15, and a 10. And they do have that cutout in the circle in the middle. Whereas over here, they're solid. So there is a difference in that. Let's take a look if I can get a close-up. Yeah, see the hole in the middle? That's for the Klein. The other ones do not have the hole in the middle. The WORKPRO also has more straight slots, a lot more actually. 2, 4, 5. The Klein just has 2, a 3/32 and an 1/8. We've got the 1/8. We've got the 3/32, but then we also, oh no, I'm sorry, there's a T7 in here. Sorry about that. 5/64 and 11/16. So yeah, let's take a close-up of the straight slots. Now the Phillips WORKPRO comes with 3. Klein comes with 2, a 00 and a 0. Here what they call the PH. Zeros, we've got a 000, 10, and 2 zeros. Let's take a look. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.